So I want to start with you with a matte finish and the new Nars matte finish bronzers. I chose Laguna. It's a perfect color that'll give you like definition and color without it looking at all garish. The matte can give you a more sophisticated look. It's a little more controlled in terms of shine.
I'm not even really sure how much to take. I normally just dig it in there a little bit.
That looks like a lot. I prefer to sweep it across and let the bristles pick up the proper amount. So let's see.
Okay. Normally I'll start here.
Great.
And I'll go up. Which, that always happens.
That is a problem. You can concentrate it under the cheekbone and then sweep it around in like circular motion or counterclockwise. And then do you want to put a little bit more product on? Take it up into your temple. Okay, so can I do this side?
Yes.
Okay.
Bronze me.
I would start down here. Like sometimes I use these little circular motions and I do up here on the temple. Let's say this is a little more contoury, is take it and sweep it, you know, a little bit down your nose, hit the chin, lightly touch your forehead with it. I really love also hitting the eyelids. Look at the difference of your two eyes. Bronzer isn't the only thing working. It looks so good and it kind of ties all the parts of your face together. Why don't you do your other eye? Tilting your head up, creating a flat bed for the brush to go on. You started in the outer corner, which is sweeping it right across. If your neck happens to be a whole other situation, go and bring it down the center. This is perfect, but let's say we want to amp it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Add a highlight to this. There's different products you can use. I'm using Port de France, which is a highlighting powder. Add it to your upper cheekbone.
Ooh.
This is a new lip oil from Nars called Reef, and I think it'll really help tie this whole look together and give you that sun-kissed, gorgeous look. I'm using this color Matte Samoa, which has a little bit more red tone to it. I'm just gonna sweep this across the face. It does that thing that the sun does, which is hit your face. This is a trick that Francois Nars actually taught me. Using it properly, like it just makes you look so good and healthy and fresh. You can contour with it, or you can like bring it across your face. You can use it the way the sun hits you. I think you look really beautiful and bronzed. So the makeup is more specifically under your cheekbones, on your temples, under the bones, on your chin, on your forehead, your neck. Fantastic.
Fantastic.